Because it came from Walter Gretzky, I'll hang it in my house, but he is wearing a Rangers jersey, so yes. I choose to forget about that era of Wayne's career. I didn't want to see him quit, and I certainly didn't want to see him wearing a Rangers jersey. Anyway, thank you for having us here tonight, today and later on tonight and everything, all weekend long. I came up to support this guy because I think this is the best human being that's ever lived, short of Jesus Christ. And, most of y'all, I always wanted to, you know, look, I'm not a goal scorer, and anybody who watched the first game knows that I'm not a goaltender either. But, and I disagree, not everyone's a winner, Walter, so I can have to. But I mean, like all of you, you know, I always wanted to assist Gretzky on a goal, and throwing a kick-ass tournament is sort of a goal, and Walter's a Gretzky, so that's like, I'm here, man. It's a dream come true. Thanks a lot for having us.